What is up, guys? It is a nice sunny April day. We got the square body, and guess what? We're putting interior in it today to get this thing done on the road so we can hit some shows. Hopefully we make it to a show this time, because last time we went out we broke down. You can see that on an upcoming episode. We had a module go out in the distributor. Let's take this thing and go ahead and put it in the garage and get to working on this thing. Now we gotta clean all the garb out of here. Some chairs from the show I didn't make it to. Figure out what goodies is behind the seat. Oh, look at there, there's an amp box. I wonder where that comes from. Forgot I had this. Tire iron. Oh, look there, another sign that we need. Okay, let's figure out what size this is. It's like 5/8 maybe. Nope, 9/16. These are tight, like they don't want the seat to fly out when you hit something. I mean, damn. Seat should be loose now. Pull these seat belts through. Push them through. Maybe not. Okay, looks like the seat's ready to come out now. And since I don't have a hand, please enjoy this circus that's about to happen. Right now we're going to do a quick vacuum job, and then we'll see what else we have to take out to put the carpet in. I think there's a couple more things, but we will see. Okay, let's should wipe this thing out because it is really dirty. So this is carpet from LMC. I believe this is considered molded carpet, and I believe this is already cut to fit. So we're gonna see if it's cut to fit. Looks like we're going to have to take the seat belts out, unfortunately. So we're going to do that next, so we can go ahead and slap this carpet in and be done with it. And then we'll put everything back in. So let's take the seat belts out. Well, we finally got the seat belts out. They were kind of froze, the bolts were kind of froze in there because the last time that they were probably messed with was from the factory. We got them all loose. Now we can lay the carpet in here and mark the carpet, and that way we can know where to cut a little boho. So to go through the carpet, and we can bolt everything back down so we don't fly out the window. So let's go ahead and grab the carpet, and we'll go ahead and mark some holes and cut it, because it's getting dark and it's about time to go to bed. Alright guys, I don't know if you can really see it or not, but we got the carpet installed. We got the seat back in here. We got the seat belts all tight. So we're finished with that portion. But it's getting kind of late tonight. So tomorrow, which will be on this video, we're going to install the door panels. That shouldn't be too hard. Also remember too that I got to put locks on the door also. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't messed with these kind of locks before on a truck like this, but I have on other trucks, so couldn't be too much different. But tomorrow we're going to do that. So we'll cut forward to that right now.
Tomorrow.
The nader sirens are going off, but no naders today. Today we put in door panels. Alright, now that the nader sirens are over, I forgot also that I ordered door locks. So we're going to put those in really quick. They're really easy to put in. It really takes 2 clips to put them in. So we're going to go ahead and slap them in there. This is from Genuine Parts. I ordered it through LMC. LMC supplies it. It looks pretty much just like the factory ones that I have. Other than the key, it doesn't say GM, but oh well, it doesn't matter. But it comes with a little gasket, a new gasket for it, and a new clip. This is one of your clips that you're going to replace. And you don't have to. But and then there's another clip that goes on this end that holds the actual latch that attaches to the key lock. So we're going to go ahead and slap these in there, and then we're going to start on the door panels. So I don't know how well you can see this, but there's a little clip right here. So I can point to this thing. Right there. All you got to do is grab a hold of it, pull it out. That's the one clip that I showed you that's going to be replaced. You don't have to replace that, but they do send you a new one. Then your lock literally comes out the front. Then there's another clip on here. This one looks like it's probably going to be a little difficult to get out. Looks like it just slides out, maybe. I don't know, but let's see if we can. Might be able to pull it through this way. Probably not, but then I'm going to grab a screwdriver. Oh, look at there. It just come out. I spun it around enough. So maybe we should be able to get it back in there. So all I did was I pushed it out the front and it kind of wiggled it around and it came out. But what we're going to do is just pop this clip off now. Somehow. And then this clip is going to be put back on to that door lock, the new one. Looks like all we're going to do is slide it forward, but you're going to have to pull this out right here. This little pin that goes, this little piece of it that goes in there so it won't slide out. So let me grab a punch real quick. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get this clip off. It's pretty easy. There's a piece of it that goes in this little slot right here. Prop on it just a little bit. And then take another screwdriver Kind of push on it. Try not to stab yourself like I almost just did. But you literally do that. And the clip comes off. And looky there. Then that comes off. And you're going to reuse this and the clip that I just dropped on your new door lock. So let's grab one of the new door locks real quick. Don't forget to put your gasket on first. So you don't have to take it all back apart. It only goes one way, it looks like. And then the pin, or the keeper, will only go one way also. And just like that, the new lock is on. So we'll just slide that through the door, push it up on there, and it'll have to get on the rod. So we'll try to hit that and get this thing in there. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now let me get the new clip. This is not a hammer, but it will do the job. Okay, and well, bam! Now let's check out this new lock. New lock works good. Now if it would just shut good. Alright, so here's the door panels that I got from LMC truck also. I don't really know what brand these are, or I don't know if they're just LMC brand, I guess. But what I realized when I pulled them out of the box, it doesn't have a hole for your crank handle, for your window to go down. So we're gonna have to cut those. I went ahead and what I did was I dabbed a little bit of white paint onto the door crank stud that hangs out of the door that the crank handle will go on. And there's a pre-made hole on this, but it's quite a bit off. I don't know how well you can actually see this, but the hole's over here, or the paint's right there, and the hole's way up here. So we're gonna go based off of that. But the door panels, they look really good. They're really thin plastic, but they look really good. The armrests, here's the armrest that I got to bolt onto it. They look really, really nice also. But we're gonna try to drill into this now and see how close we can get. Hopefully we don't mess them up. I am not time-lapsing, I am videoing, but that's okay. Alright, so we just drilled that. Let's see how close this thing is. Damn, look how close that is. Right on the money. Yeah, brother. Now I just gotta find a Dremel. I should be able to get this thing dialed in, brother. Looky here, I got a Sharpie in my pocket ready to go. Mark this thing. All right, now I'm gonna call some of my neighbors and see if they have a Dremel that we can borrow. Alright guys, we got the door panels in, so not gonna lie, they did kick my ass, but we got them in. Just had one little problem. One of the little screw-on caps for the door push-down lock, mine is stripped out, so I might have to buy a new rod. I'll go find another one. But right now I'm gonna show you the end product. This is stuff from LMC truck, so you can buy it right from LMC truck. Ship it directly to your door, and you can have nice new interior like the following. So this is the little door lock I was talking about. It's the rod is actually stripped out right there, so probably gonna have to get a new one for that, but not too worried. We got the door panels in. The shop truck is looking like a show truck now. Carpet just needs to lay out a little bit. I still gotta put my trim back around the edges, but the carpet turned out pretty good. Pardon the shadow of the camera, but this seat was already in when I got it. But the door, here's the other door panel, turned out good. They were kind of a pain in the butt to get on. It's got the push lock things, I don't know what you call them. But they snap in, and then it's got bolts that go around the bottom. But other than that, not too big of a pain. But should be an eye catcher now. Now that it has interior, minus a dash pad. Those are hard to come by. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys, everybody that watches, all my 10 subscribers or however many I got now. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out all of our other stuff: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Trying to get some of those out there for you guys. But you see all of my other shorts on everywhere else that I got. Subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Keep on high riding.